All right, we're here with Alan and Ben and the Classic Chevys of Southern California Club at their 37th annual car show. Just want you guys to share a little bit about your club, the show, and the boys' home here that it's benefiting.
Okay, I wish that you would be here, all your 5, 6, and 7 Chevys. We've got about 80 of those here, plus many other different cars. I think we've had our biggest show, probably 300 cars today. We have bake sale, we have raffles, we have silent auction, we have a model show with little car models that they build. A beautiful day here, plenty of good food we have here, lots of vendors we have here. All right, Ben, you go ahead now.
Well, you took everything away from me, but we have 30 vendors of all different kinds, and Boys Town gets the profit from what we do here at our car show. There are charity, and we usually raise somewhere around $10,000 to $15,000 for Boys Town.
And this last year we gave $18,000. We gave.
So that's pretty much it. It's a beautiful day, and you don't know what you're missing.
And if you live in the valley, you can join our club. We have meetings every once a month, Wednesday here at the location. So we'd love to see you come.
Awesome. Thank you, gentlemen. Great show. Danchuk's real happy to be out here. We've had a great time seeing some incredible cars, meeting lots of great people, and a great cause as well. So again, thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Yeah.